Hello, welcome in, get settled, because today we are starting a new sketchbook. I went back through some of my old videos recently and everyone was amazing. You were all like super encouraging of the drawings that I've been doing and you were asking to see more, so I thought this would be a really cool project for us to do together. My plan for this is actually based on something I used to do when I was traveling. I'd go to these museums abroad and have a look around and just find something that I thought was cool and then kind of try and reinterpret it in my own hand, in my own style. I don't know, I don't like using that word, but anyway, this is based on, I actually did some drawings before of a kind of Van Gogh self-portrait, Van Gogh, however you want to say it, and they were really cool. I might insert them here so you can have a look. It's loads of fun and it's a really good way to learn from the masters, so yeah, a really good idea for your sketchbook as well if you wanted to have a go. And for all those who are going to ask, I am using a Zebra G nib dip pen. It's really cool when you kind of press with it, the line changes, the weight of it changes. I've got a really heavy hand though and I really battle using it, and I think I was trying to be a bit too delicate with this. I'd like to do a bit more scribbly, but you know, it's been a long time since I've drawn anything like this. Disclaimer here, the drawing doesn't really go to plan. His eye upsets me a lot and the paint, I didn't even know what I was doing. It's been so long and I just put it down without thinking, but you know what, it's a sketchbook and they're for learning and working things out and they don't have to be beautiful. The internet will show you differently, but you know, I have no problems with having messy pages and neither should you. I also thought I'd mention that this isn't the actual first page of my sketchbook. I've skipped over it. I'm going to come back to it later. I do have a video that has some ideas for first pages of sketchbooks, which you guys seem to really love. It's amazing, and thank you so much for all the likes and the comments. It means so much to me. If you want to go check out some ideas and go from that, I'm planning on just going back and doing a little bit of kind of text or something on it, but I just didn't want to have to worry about it right now. And here's a sneaky tip: if you do a portrait, just write the person's name next to it. It does wonders for getting over bad likenesses, I tell you. And here we go, me splashing paint all over the place and not really thinking about it. I kind of just went all in at one point. I've done so much wrong and there's really nothing I could lose. He'd started off and told me that I was going to be gluing stuff on top of his eye. I don't even know if I would have done it, but either way I did it and I'm okay with the page in the end. Hopefully you are too. If there's anything else you want to see, please feel free to put it in the comments if you've got ideas for the next drawing. Otherwise, I'll just have a kind of ponder. I'm liking portraits, so we'll see how that goes. Until next time, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.